Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Jitter and setting up one clean project so your workspace stays focused. Create the project, pick a canvas size like 1920 by 1080 and a frame rate that matches your output. Once done, import assets, PNG, SVG, or short MP4, and group them into folders. Make sure to name layers clearly. This saves time later. Now add a composition and place your first asset on the timeline so you can start animating immediately. You'll now construct the animation by animating core properties with keyframes and easing to avoid mechanical motion. Layer your elements, add masks and blend modes, and nest compositions to isolate complex parts. Once nested, link parameters using sliders and color pickers so a single control alters multiple elements. Make sure to preview frequently and trim keyframes to tighten timing. This prevents jitter and overshoot. If you use text, convert it to editable controls so you can swap content without redoing motion. You finish by exporting and validating the result. Pick the proper codec and resolution, enable alpha for overlays, and run quick test renders to confirm timing and quality. Once done, optimize by compressing large assets, removing hidden layers, and baking procedural effects into frame-based media to eliminate runtime jitter. If playback stutters or assets go missing, clear the cache, relink files, and test in an incognito window or another browser. This isolates browser or caching issues and gets you a clean final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.